power of visual storytelling is incredible. Why we go to the movies. Let's think about the horror genre, that adrenaline rush, and they're cathartic. So many people go to the movies and release this pent-up stress, fear, anxiety. When we're in the movie theater watching a great horror film, it's cathartic. We get to experience that emotional roller coaster in a controlled environment. Let's go to the master, Stanley Kubrick, The Shining. Yeah, there's many horror movies out there where you get that jump scare, or the slash 'em up films where there's blood and gore. But Kubrick gives you a masterclass of the psychological horror, the buildup of tension. You cannot underestimate the power of tension from one scene to the next, especially as it builds throughout the film. And he manipulates the pacing beautifully with his cinematic prowess and his sound design, his camera angles, his lighting. Stanley Kubrick was one of the first to make use of the Steadicam in the hedge maze scene. It was smooth and fluid that contributed to the eerie disorientation of the whole setup. And casting is key. You want your actors to be able to deliver a performance that goes along with your vision. Jack Nicholson as Jack Torrance. He starts out as a struggling family man, and we see his gradual psychological decline into a monster throughout the movie. Stanley Kubrick is truly a master at movie-making magic, a great director to model yourself after. Of course, don't expect to be like him when you first start. We're all at different levels in our journey. For instance, he was so meticulous, I heard that there's one scene in the film, Shelley Duvall's character, Wendy Torrance, defends her and her son from Jack Nicholson's character with a baseball bat. And apparently it took 127 shots. Enough said. Now go out and watch The Shining. And while you're at it, Alfred Hitchcock's Psycho. William Friedkin delivered one of the scariest movies I've ever seen, The Exorcist. A Nightmare on Elm Street, Wes Craven. In Halloween, John Carpenter. The launching pad for Jamie Lee Curtis. And of course, Jordan Peele in Get Out. It's your turn. Go out and make your horror movie. And in the comments, write down a horror film that inspired you. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I love you.